And councillor for the Yorktown Division in Clarendon, Ufel Purcell, has come out in defense of infirmary workers who were put on blast by local government minister Desmond McKenzie recently. Mr. Purcell commented on the issue at a conference in the Tollgate Division Sunday night. We have more in this report. Local government minister Desmond McKenzie recently announced that he will be taking aim at unqualified persons working in infirmaries across the island who he says were employed because of political connections. He also promised to take stern action to deal with reports of abuse meted out to residents by the workers charged to care for them, and stated that some workers have even been administering medication to residents even though they were illiterate. But councillor for the Yorktown Division, Ufel Purcell, has expressed disgust with the minister's comments.
When I listen to the Honourable Minister Desmond McKenzie talking about workers at the infirmary, I am shocked, I am disappointed, and I feel hurted. Because when he spoke about some of them get work because of labour right, some of them get work because of PNP, and they can't this, they can't that, I am shocked.
Mr. Purcell has blasted the minister, suggesting that if he is not pleased with the educational background of the workers, then he should make arrangements for the staff to get additional training.
If you found out that you have an institution that you are leading and persons are not brought up to what you want them to do, get inside there, speak to them, speak to art, speak to whatever institution is there to assist them, and assist them. Don't belittle them like that. Don't allow them to be like they were not given what they have to offer to the elders of this country.
He was extremely critical of the minister's approach to the situation, insisting that sending home workers who have been serving in infirmaries across the island for years is not the correct way to address the problem.
They have a right to, and they have done exceptionally good work. I can contest to the fact that the Maypen Infirmary is one of the excellent out of all of the infirmary, well put together. And I, as former chairman, has done a lot of work to assist those persons who are working there to bring them up to par.